Morning teacher, good morning friends. I am going to the present my project, Endangered Animals. Introduction. Some species of animals are in serious danger of becoming extinct from the planet. It also affects some of the humans in different ways. First animal, species. Very little is known about the customs and origins of this bird, which is extremely difficult to observe in its natural environment because they are in danger of extinction. It is estimated that there are currently between 5,000 and 8,000 specimens as a result of the destruction of their habitat. Koala. Koala. Koala are affected by deforestation and controlled urban growth, indiscriminate hunting, the expansion of the agriculture frontier, mining and climate change. They are the main factors that are destroying the habitat of koalas in Australia and the world. Estimates that the national population of koalas in the wild has fallen below 100,000, just a remnant of the million that were killed in the 1912 that removed their skin. With the current rate of habitat destruction, and with 4,000 koalas killed each year by dogs and cats, it is obvious that time is running out. Urgent action is needed to stop this alarming decline in koala numbers. The Anden condor, the Anden condor hunting and illegal capture. The Anden condor is captured for use in the jaguar fiestas, which has increased significantly in recent years, reaching 14 specimens, especially in the Apurimac region. The condor is used to trade its bones and feathers. In addition, it is kept in captivity for tourist purposes. The population of this bird does not exceed 7,000 adult specimens in the seven South American countries where it lives. Cause, effects, and possible solutions. Causes: destruction of wild habitats, introduction of invasive species, climate change, hunting and illegal trafficking. Effects: the most probably it is loss of biodiversity in a habitat, that is, the lack of members of the species, the disappearance of one of them cause change, which end up affecting the rest and causing, in turn, that they are more vulnerable to invasive species. Possible solutions. The possible solutions learn and raise awareness about the extinction of animals. Avoid and report illegal activities with and endangered species. Reduce or impact of nature. Visit protected areas and help as a volunteer. Consume in sustainable way with nature. Thank you.